Hi, my name is Wayne Clent. I'm the Managing Director at Bromfield Sand Gravel. In 2016/17, we stumbled virtually by accident by Bay-Lynx, and we got chatting to them, and we were very impressed with sort of their knowledge and their support and the advice they were sort of giving us on the day. And we kind of decided to order our very first volumetric concrete mixer. So in 2017, the first one arrived. And the kind of joke on the day was you'll order your second one before quicker than you ordered your first one. And we sort of laughed, said, yeah, let's see how this one goes first. And they were right. The second truck was very soon ordered because we were unable to keep up with demand with just the single lorry. And as the second one arrived, they said, you'll need a third one very soon. And they were right. The order books were full, the customers were loving the trucks, there was no waste, people getting exactly what they wanted. The carbon footprint is kind of reduced because you're doing sort of one trip and taking off more meterage off one truck than the conventional barrel mixers who are having to make sort of two trips to cover the same meterage. We then were sort of quick at learning that you can sort of do all manner of mixes, from dry mixes, the wetter mixes, the pads, all sorts on the same lorry on the same day, which was just phenomenal. I mean, the people were actually sort of coming on board and word was spreading like wildfire. And then the fourth lorry came, and then we decided we needed a fifth as a backup just in case one of them was being serviced or had a breakdown. And all 5 lorries are out, sort of flat out, sort of most days of the week. We're very impressed with the service and the backup we're getting from Bay-Lynx. The technical support is brilliant, and since the last 3 trucks have been Titans, they've just gone from strength to strength for us. I think since the Titan has been launched, it has just brought the whole concept of volumetric on leap and bounds. The Titan is just so much more sophisticated and so much reliable. You haven't got chains or shear pins or anything to worry about. Because it's done on the hydraulic motors, it will alter the obviously cement content, the water content, to the belt speed and to your payload speed. So there's a lot less moving parts, a lot less to go wrong, and you're able to train an operator in probably a quarter of the time for the conventional concrete mixers, because they're just a lot more simple to use. If you select the mix you want and press a new ticket for a new customer, literally the truck is ready to go, and within sort of covering the bottom of a wheelbarrow, the mix is absolutely spot on every time. There's no guesswork with guessing where the water needs to be and what speed everything needs to run at. Everything is sort of done pre-programmed for you, and you can train an operator very quickly, and every operator should be as good as the one before or the one after because the truck is doing the work for you. With the new Titans, with the sort of half barrel shape of the body, with a hard ox body as well, the sand or gravel doesn't stick in the back of the lorry, so therefore the feed of material is more constant, and the sophisticated software, the truck does the work for you. There's no sticking, there's no blockages, and the water and cement and the admix are all adjusted accordingly. With the Batch Pro Connect, calibrating can be done in probably less than half the time. Also, you can add or remove a mix on site using the app on your mobile phone. The whole body configuration, the whole setup is just so much better than before. The truck is lower to load for a start, so your centre of gravity is a lot lower. And also the oil tank now is a lot smaller reservoir than the old one, with an oil coil on the side, so you don't have sort of masses of hydraulic oil. If you have a pipe or anything, you don't lose lots of oil. The whole system is just a lot neater and a lot more compact. I think people are looking to reduce waste, they're looking to reduce costs, and I can only see that with the sophistication of the new machines, that they're as accurate as a batching plant, and I think they'll only get sort of stronger and stronger.